Hello everyone. So only 2 days remaining for your upcoming JEE Advanced Examination 2026. I hope that you people have gone through all the chapters, all questions which is most likely to occur in the advanced level examination. Also gone through the PYQ, okay, and prepared all the important concepts which are being asked frequently in the JEE Advanced examination. So on those basis which are frequently asked, I have prepared some videos. I have also the PYQ folder. Okay, I hope that you people are going through all those things. Okay, now this is last video for your preparation. See, the questions will be very calculative. I'm not taking calculative questions, but I'm giving you the concept which are most likely to asked in the JEE advanced examination, and the pattern you can learn from these videos, correct? So here is the question from permutation and combination, correct? Permutation and combination, 2 3 4 concepts you can revise. Multiple choice questions, correct? Multiple choice question. So let f is a function from a to b where set a contains 4 elements. Okay, a contains 4 elements and b contains 3 elements. I am giving here 4 elements and 3 elements simply, but they can take some bigger numbers there in the examination to check your calculation skill as well. Correct. Okay, fine. Then the number of functions defined from a to b which are not surjective, which are not onto. So how we can find out which are the functions which are not onto? Number one. For that we have to find out the total number of function and total number of onto function. Then only we can find out the total number of functions which are not onto. Surjective means onto function is also equal to, then that total number of functions which are not surjective is also equal to what? Option number A, number of natural solution of this equation. Natural solution, number of natural solution. Natural solution means first one is positive integral solution. This is positive integral solution they are asking. Okay, we always habitual of using this type of words, no? Positive integral solution, non-negative integral solution, like that. But they are at the time saying that natural solution. Natural solution means positive integral solution, correct? That formula is there, na? N minus 1c r minus 1 for the equation x1 plus x2 up to the xr, that is equal to n. So this equation, the number of positive integral solution, this is a very common topic in JEE advanced examination, correct? Fine. And then second option is number of ways in which 10 children can be divided, only divided, can be divided into two groups, one containing 2 and one containing 8. This is very easy. The 10 has to be divided into two groups, one containing 2, another containing 8. So the total number of ways is 10c2, correct? This is simple, 10c2. Fine. Because you have given 2 to this group, then automatically remaining 8 will go into the second group, correct? Only division they are asking, not distribution, correct? Fine. So this is 10c2. The number of ways in which 10 children can be divided, this okay. The number of natural solution of the equation x plus y plus z equal to 11. N is 11. So this formula n minus 1 into c r minus 1. N is 11. R is 3. This is again 10c2. See, this 10c2, here also 10c2. So definitely this option A and B are same. Correct? Give the same value. So definitely the number of onto function must be equal to 10c2. Reverse way I am solving these questions. You can solve in the same way, but reverse I can solve this because these options are very easy. The number of ways in which 4 boys and 4 girls can be arranged alternatively in a circle. So in a circle, first of all we will allowed to sit either girl or boys first. So 4 boys can be sit in a 3 factorial way. So this is what 3 factorial way we can arrange them. Now these are the gaps. How many gaps are there? 4 gaps. In those 4 gaps we have to arrange 4 girls. How many girls? 4 girls. Now there is no concept of circular permutation, simply the linear permutation. After arranging boys in the circle in a circular way permutation, then we can arrange the girls in a linear permutation way. Correct? So therefore 4 girls, 4 gaps can be arranged in 4 factorial way. So this is not equal to 10C2, therefore this option is not correct, because I have not find out the total number of onto function at the moment. Correct? Okay, and now total number of divisor of 3600. Now 3600 can be factorized. Here I am doing 3600, that is equal to 236. 36 का स्क्वायर अपना 6 का स्क्वायर मतलब 2 का स्क्वायर into 3 का स्क्वायर, 6 का स्क्वायर I can write down like that, into 100. 100 means 4 into 25 means 2 का power 2 into 5 की power 2. Finally we have 2 की power 4. Finally I can write down 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 2 and into 5 की power 2. So the total number of divisor is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 for this one, and for this one 2 plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 3, again it is coming to be 45. And I think that 10C2 is also coming to be the 45. 10 into 9 divided by 2, that is coming to be 45. So this option A 45, option B is 45, option C is not 45, option D is 45. That means the total number of functions which are not onto has to be 45. But how we can find out? First we will find out the total number of function. The total number of function is, this is set A, this is set B. The total number of function is, it's quite simple now. Okay, I can now delete this, no problem. So the total number of function is total number of function. Total number of function is equal to n of b की power n of a. Correct? That is 3 की power 4, that is 81. 81 is total number of functions. Now we will find out total number of onto function. Total number of onto function. Onto function is equivalent to finding the division of four objects. We have to distribute this 4 objects among 3 children. These 4 distinct objects we have to distribute among 3 children such that each children should get at least 1. That is the way we can find out the total number of onto functions. So this is, first give 1 to 1 where each has to get at least 1. So 3, now remaining 1 I can give to here, anywhere. So 2. So the number of ways is 4 divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial for 2 factorial. Now 1 has come 2 times, therefore 1 upon 2 factorial. This is division. Now we have to distribute. This 2 can be go here or here like that. So this is 3 factorial ways. Now calculate it. This is 4 factorial means 24 divided by 2 into 2. 3 factorial is 6. Okay. 4, 6, 36. This is 36. And this is 81. Onto function is 36. Total number of function is 81. So total number of function which are not onto is 81 minus 36, and it is coming to be 45. So 45 is the total number of functions which are not onto. Correct? And option A is also 45. Option B is also 45. Option C is not 45. Okay, 24 into 6 na, 24 into 6, not 45. And option D is also coming to be 45. So therefore A is correct, B is correct, D is correct. So see, in this question we have revised all important concept of permutation and combination. Not the bigger calculation, but how to find out the total number of functions, how to find out the total number of onto functions, how to find out the total number of functions which are not onto. Okay, how to find out the total number of divisor, how to find out the circular arrangement. Okay, and how to find out this positive integral solution of the equation. Correct? Got it?